As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that. Like a moth to a flame burned by the fire.
That's the way.
My love is blind.
Okay, so when you walk in, here is my kitchen. Super beautiful. All Whirlpool appliances. Here's my dishwasher. Super deep sink, like the farmhouse sink. Love this black splash. We actually have an electric stove, which we've never had before, so this will be definitely an experience. I love that we have so many outlets going across this wall. Our microwave, all of these cabinets, but this is my favorite, the pantry. Look how deep the pantry is. And it's so tall, so deep, like it's like this deep, like arm's length, which is super, super cool. Our refrigerator, which we've never had one like this before, so I'm in love. It makes ice, water, and then that's what it looks like on the inside. Just super, super beautiful. So yeah, that's our kitchen. I'm filming this on my phone because I left my camera in the car because there's a lot going on. Here's our washer and dryer. We're also the very first people to live in this unit, so. Oh. Here is our thermostat. And then turn here, there's this door. There's this door right here. And then you go this way, and this is my cousin's room. I love that each room has a ceiling fan. So this is my cousin's room. Oh, it's like so not bright in here. Also, I'm trying to be quiet because the movers are here. Also, I'm trying to do this like really quick. Here's his bathroom. So he has like this whole like linen space, which is like super cool. Let's open it up. All of this like linen space. I love this. And then he has all of these drawers right here. This is, hey y'all. I love these light fixtures. This is the door that we saw on the outside. You have this where you can hang your towels, bathrobe, then his tub, which is amazing. I love this black splash with the marble. Then we have his toilet, some more cabinet space, which I absolutely love. Like, if you've been watching our moving series, then you know that we really wanted storage space. Like, that was important to us. And then here's my cousin's closet, which is like super, super big. Like super big. I'm gonna stand back so y'all can just see how big his closet is. Which is another thing, he didn't have a walk-in closet, so that was like the one thing that he said that he wanted. So then when we come out of his room, oops, here is the living room area, which is super beautiful. I love the trees right here. Then we step out. I'm not gonna show you guys where I'm living, but here is our balcony, which is like super huge. I mean, we only have one balcony in this apartment. For those of you that know that we've had, in our old apartment, we had 4 balconies. So we only have one now, which is okay. I'm not mad at it. That's our balcony. Here's our living room space. So we're gonna put like our couch right here, and then our TV and entertainment area right here. We also have this area where we're gonna put bar stools right here. Also right here on this wall, we're probably gonna get a bench that has like shoe racks on it so that so when our guests come, they can put their shoes there. And yeah, because we don't want people to have shoes on in the house because we have carpet in our bedrooms, as you guys can see. And then here's my room, which is the master. I also have a ceiling fan. So we walk in, my TV's already there. So yes, here's my room. So beautiful, so big. Here it is. I'm gonna put my bed here, my desk on this side, my nightstand on this side, and then I'm gonna mount my TV to this wall, and then I'm probably gonna have my mirror like right here. I'm not really sure yet. But then we come into my master bath. Here we go. Just look at this. I always wanted a standing shower and bathtub separate, so I got what I wanted and my cousin got what he wanted, which is great. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna put like some pictures like right here. That if you watch my Decenio unboxing, those are gonna go right here. I'm gonna put some like nice decorative towels. I don't have like the linen closet, but look, I have a double sink, his and her sink, which is great when I have guests over. And then I don't have drawers, but I do have this one which like pulls out. So I'm gonna like put medicine and like toothbrush and stuff there, and then have stuff at the bottom. But I love this. Also gonna put a decorative towel there, and a decorative towel here. And I also have this space too, which is good. I'm gonna put like, you know, pads, tampons, and all of that other good stuff there. And then here is my beautiful giant walk-in closet. My closet is humongous. Like I'm standing all the way back. My closet is like huge. And I have like all of this space. So yeah, I love this. So yes, here is my beautiful apartment. I hope you guys really like it. I know this is not how I wanted to film it, but I had to film it this way because I have to just work with what I got. So yes, I will see you guys later. Bye.